Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play paper, EO on a school Chromebook. School networks often have strict filters, making it tricky to access games. We will explore methods like using a virtual private network or a proxy server to bypass these restrictions. Remember to always check your school's rules regarding internet usage to ensure you are following their guidelines. This guide aims to help you understand the options available. Virtual private networks, or VPN, encrypt your internet traffic, making it harder for school filters to detect your activity. Proxy servers work similarly by routing your connection through another server, effectively masking your location. While these tools can be helpful, be aware that many free options might have limitations, such as slower speeds or data caps. Always choose reputable services to protect your information. To find a playable version, search for unblocked games websites. These sites often host browser-based games like Paper, EO that don't require any downloads, making them ideal for Chromebooks. You might find older or simplified versions that are less resource-intensive and more likely to run smoothly. Always ensure the website is safe and reputable to avoid any unwanted software or security issues. When playing on a school Chromebook, it is important to be responsible. Play during appropriate times, like lunch or after classes, and always be mindful of your surroundings. Keep your volume down or use headphones to avoid distracting others. Be ready to quickly close your game if a teacher walks by. Remember, your schoolwork comes first, so use gaming as a short, fun break.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.